Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful characters in Skyrim. First, let's dive into the character creation menu. Take your time exploring all the options available, from race selection to the intricate facial sliders. A strong foundation here is key. Pay close attention to details like eye shape, nose bridge, and mouth curvature. Even subtle adjustments can dramatically alter your character's overall look, so experiment freely to achieve your desired aesthetic. Remember, patience is a virtue when crafting your perfect adventurer. Once you've mastered the in-game tools, it's time to explore the vast world of modifications. Mods can elevate your character's beauty to new heights, offering hundreds of new hairstyles, eye colors, and skin textures. Look for high-resolution texture packs and body replacers to refine your character's physical appearance. These enhancements can transform a good-looking character into a truly stunning one, adding a layer of realism and detail that the base game simply cannot provide. For those seeking even greater control, delve into advanced customization. Many mods, like Race Menu, offer hundreds of additional sliders for minute adjustments to every facial feature. You can even use console commands for precise numerical inputs, allowing for exact replication of desired looks. Don't forget to add character through makeup, scars, or war paint. Once satisfied, save your creation as a preset so you can easily revisit or share your beautiful Dragonborn. Your character's beauty extends beyond their face. Consider animation mods for more fluid and natural movements, making your character feel truly alive. Select armor and clothing that perfectly complement their aesthetic, enhancing their overall presence. Finally, implement an ENB preset to dramatically improve lighting, shadows, and colors, making your character shine in every environment. Remember to keep your mods updated for the best experience and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.